Okay, Victor Oscar Alpha. Victor Oscar Alpha, come again. Roger, Roger, WC8VOI from PY1AX returning. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. My name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. Copy a beautiful 5x9. 59, very strong here in South America. It's raining, it's tropical raining at this moment, but the temperature around 27 degrees Celsius. So microphone back to you. Whiskey Charlie 8, Victor Oscar Alpha from PY1AX. Listen.
Well, it's a little cool and damp today, and we have a small amount of rain as well. That's easy. This is WCAVOA.
Roger, Roger, Bob, 100% copy. Thank you very much for the information. Yeah, I'm running about 300 watts into a vertical antenna, 5/8 wave, and rig is FT991, and the microphone from ISO MD 100. Okay, this is my working condition at this moment. Okay, I have a cubicle quad, 2 elements cubicle quad, but it's not on. It's not working with this antenna at this moment because it's pointed for the expedition that I'm waiting for. The Bovet Island. I think it's all over the world waiting for this the expedition. Okay, Bob, which state are you? Is that Roger, Bob? Come to you, over.
Okay, Tony. Yeah, we're located in Southwest Ohio, and this is the National Voice of America Museum, and we're open on the weekends, and we like to demonstrate shortwave radio to visitors to the museum. Working conditions here, the transceiver is a Yaesu FTDX 101 Delta, and we have an Voacap KPA 1500 amplifier, and we're running about 500 watts now. And the antenna is a 3-element jockey pointing in your direction, and at about 50 feet. Yeah, I think the whole world is waiting for the Bouvet Island as well. Back to you, Tony. This is WCAVOA.
Roger, Roger from PI1AS in returning. Very good, Bob. Fine business. Yes, we're waiting for Bouvet. They are closed, huh? They are closed. Let's see. It will be in February anyway. I have time to put in my antennas all set up together. I'm looking to work them on 160 meters, but let's see. We are in the middle of you. Okay, we are in the way for you. So anyway, many thanks, Bob, for showing up on the frequency. Thank you very much for the nice contact with you. Hope to catch you again. Good luck, DX. I will continue calling DX, see how can I fish. So 73, stay safe. Hope to catch you again. Whiskey Charlie 8, Victor Oscar Alpha from PY1AX. Go ahead.
Okay, very good. Yeah. You know, you should be able to work a lot of good DX. You have a good signal, and even though there's quite a bit of QSP on the band. Thanks for coming back to my call, and blessings for you and for your family for the coming year. 7-3, Tony. This is WCAVOA.
Okay, nice talk to you, Bob. Thank you very much. See you again. Cheers for the beers. Bye-bye. Now,